Welcome to an outdoor space that looks like a picture-perfect postcard. This is where the sky meets elegant wood grain, where comfort blends seamlessly with beauty. Using high-end wood artificial, we've created a premium outdoor extension perfect for subtropical climates. No longer just a plain industrial concrete floor, but a space that breathes life into your outdoor living. From substructure, fasteners to flawless finishing, every detail was crafted with care. Natural wood grain for texture and luxury aesthetic, anti-slip, waterproof, termite-resistant, perfect for all weather, easy maintenance, no yearly upkeep needed. The transformation is incredible. My home is now a photo hotspot. With minimal maintenance, the space looks amazing. I absolutely love it. One layer of artificial wood, a whole new way to live beautifully. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Next episode, real-time installation process and new project preview.